Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK Limited in bright white. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 45,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7912A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.